Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install CMake on Windows 11. So if you want this one, first and foremost, you just have to go to any web browser like Google web browser, and then on the search bar you have to type cmake.org/download, and it will take you directly to that specific page where you can download or install this program. So once you press enter, you will be landed to CMake website, and all you have to do is scroll down here, look for the installer section. So we will be looking for the installer for Windows 11 or Windows. So you have to click the first one here under platform files. Click this one. Now you will be notified above that it is now starting to download. Once done, go to download folder. Look for CMake, right click, install. Wait for a couple of seconds and you should see this. Read the following, tap on next. Now you have to agree to their terms and conditions. Tap on the box, check, and then click next. Click next again, and then wait for a couple of seconds. Now here you can just basically choose the path or location. So if you want to save this to your OS, or if you have other files, you just have to select for that. Tap on OK, click next, and then proceed with installing. Click install. Now wait for a couple of seconds as it is installing. Once done, tap on finish, and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds again. So before using CMake, you have to go first to CMD, search for command prompt, and then here you have to follow this one. Type CMake space dash dash version, press enter, and you should see this one. That means you have installed CMake to your computer. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.